Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will review how to make oxygen from leaves. While the idea of easily making oxygen from leaves at home is appealing, it's important to understand the scientific realities. We'll explore the natural process of oxygen creation by plants and clarify why simple extraction methods are not practical or effective for human use. This video will help you understand the true science. Photosynthesis is the incredible process where plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Using chlorophyll, plants absorb sunlight, taking in water through their roots and carbon dioxide from the air. This remarkable conversion creates sugars for the plant's sustenance, and crucially, releases oxygen back into our atmosphere. It's a fundamental cycle for life on Earth. While plants continuously produce oxygen, isolating and collecting it in a usable form at home is extremely challenging. Oxygen is a gas, and separating it from other atmospheric components requires specialized industrial equipment, not simple household items. The amount of oxygen produced by a few leaves is minuscule, making any home extraction effort impractical and ineffective for human needs. Instead of trying to extract oxygen, we can appreciate the immense contribution of plants to our atmosphere. Vast forests and oceans, filled with countless plants and algae, are the true powerhouses of oxygen production globally. Having indoor plants can naturally enhance your home's air quality, but their primary benefit is air purification, not direct oxygen supply. Supporting plant life is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.